today I filmed this no makeup look. I know there's a million of these on YouTube, and I just thought that I would film my kind of everyday, what I do when I'm not doing much makeup look. I also wear this for work on most weekends, as I don't have much time to get myself ready before jobs. So usually it's just conceal, some blush, some highlight, and yes, that's what I've showed you guys how to get this look. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Cetaphil Daily Advanced Moisturiser. Then I'm going to go in with my daily sun cream. This is the one that I'm using at the moment. I love this stuff. It's really good for under makeup too. I'll put that all over my face. Alright, now that your face is so red and you can see every little freckle, scarring, discoloration on your skin, you know you're right. You're ready to go. Just going to pop some Becca on my lips. So I'm going to take my two Nars, what is this? The Soft Matte Conceal. This is in Chantilly and Custard, and I'm going to mix them together. There is a shade in between them, but it's super pink and not into it. Okay, so I'm only going to conceal the parts of my face that are super red, like this little guy, and maybe just some of my scarring in this area. So I'm going to take two brushes. I'm going to take this really small kind of dome brush. It's actually tiny, and then I'm going to take a bigger version of it. They're both Zoeva, I'm pretty sure. And go on your little spots. I'm also just going to go in here on the darkest part of the eye. Alrighty, now with my bigger brush, I'm just going to use whatever's left on the back of my hand and just dab over all of that. Now just like a dense buffing brush, I'm going to take a little bit of my MAC Face and Body. This is in the shade C1. Like literally this is the thinnest foundation ever. I'm just going to go over the perimeter of my face. Once you're happy with the amount of coverage on your face, you can go ahead and powder any spots that you don't want to move. So I'm just going to take a tiny eyeshadow blending brush with a little bit of my Rcma No Colour powder. Just going to put that on my blemishes. Blending brush, my big dense buffing brush again, and I've just put some Rcma No Colour powder. I'm just going to dab over the areas that I want to set. Make sure you dab, this will ensure that you don't move the product that's underneath it. I'm going to set my face with the Flower Beauty setting spray. I'm going to mix two highlighters. I'm going to mix my MAC Soft and Gentle and my Becca in Moonstone. And I'm going to take them with a really big fluffy brush. So I'm going to take them with this giant powder brush. I'm just going to go like back and forth between them. I'm just going to swipe that and blend that around just the highest points of my face. I'm using a bigger brush so that my placement doesn't look so precise, so it will look more natural. Now for blush, I'm going to take my Warm Soul by MAC. And again, this has a bit of shimmer in it, so it's going to look more natural on the skin opposed to a matte blush, which will stand out on the cheeks as being matte, where this will just show all the dimension in your face. The other trick I have is to go just over the nose and kind of this area. That'll make you look a bit like sun-kissed. I'm going back with that buffing brush. I'm going to just tap over earrings to diffuse those edges. Cool, so I'm just taking my favorite mascara. This is the Define-a-lash by Maybelline. I'm just going to coat my top lashes. I get my eyelashes tinted, so I find that my bottom lashes don't really need any mascara, otherwise they look a bit thick and chunky. I mean, usually I wouldn't put anything in my brows, but for the sake of the video, I'll show you what I do when I'm just doing a natural brow. So I've got just this Ardell clear brow gel. It's not really clear anymore, but I'm just gonna brush that through to put them into place. I'm just gonna take my little angled brush. Can't really even see a little angled brush. I'm going to just put most of the product in the, you know, outer third, I'd say. And then work my way to the front when I've got the least amount of product on my brush. And all kind of upwards motions too. This will make the brow look a lot more natural and not as structured. I'm gonna pop a tiny bit of just my clear gloss by Essence. Awesome, and again, just set. Alright, so I've zoomed you guys out just to do my hair. Now, it's wash day tomorrow, so my hair's a little bit oily, a little bit crazy. I'm gonna pop in some of my Batiste, I never know how to say it, Instant Hair Fresh Dry Shampoo. This is the Opulent and Bold Luxe Gold edition. Don't know what that means. I'm just gonna mush that into my hair practically. Alright, and then my go-to everyday hair look is just a little bun. Keeps my hair out of my face while I'm getting stuff done. And then I just pull it so it's not as tight. I'm gonna pull some hair out at the front, make it look a bit more worn in, a bit more messy. Alrighty, I'm gonna go put some earrings in and put my jumper on, and then I'll see you for the outro. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, all of my social media links will be in the description box down below. Yeah, also feel free to leave a comment as to what you guys want to see next, as that will help me out quite a lot. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Why did I say Who knows? Now for brush. Bye. Is that weird? Bye. Bye. Okie dokie.